So hey, what's up guys, welcome to our channel. In this video we have to learn the Leetcode problem, which is question number of 35. The question name is search insertion position, in which we have given a sorted array with a distinct integer, mean no duplicate element are present in that array, and we have to given a target value. We have to return the index of the target where the target value is found in that particular array. So let's move on the test case. In this question we have given a array integer which is 1 3 and 5 6. So target is 5, so we have to return the index of where the 5 is present. For in the second test case we have given the target which is 2, which is not present in the that array, so we have to return the index where the target is lie. So target will lie in the between of 1 and 3. So the indexing for is 0 1 2 3 4. So answer would be 1. For this test case we have a 1 3 5 and 6. So the target is 7. So target present here because the array are sorted. So 7 present here. So the index is 0 1 2 3 and 4. So index would be this one. So we make a simple loop for int I is equal to 0, I greater than n, I plus plus, if array of I equal to target. So we have to store the index. So here we make a int index is equal to 0. So we have to put the value of index here, I. Then here we have make a boolean function, boolean flag, which already false. So here we put the flag is equal to true because the index because the value will be found. So now we return this one. So we make a condition if flag equal to false, then we have to insert it. So we make a for loop int I is equal to 0, I greater than n, I plus plus. So for example we have a given array 4 6 7 9. So value would be 8. So we move from this to this. So from this to this 4 to 9 we make a for loop for if the array of I greater than the target. So greater than the target, so array would this test case 9 passes the condition. So we have to store the ninth index because 1 2 3 4. If we add here 8 4 6 7 8 9, so array became 3 4. So the index would be 3. So we have to store the index of the where this condition will be true. So let's move on the question. Int n is equal to nums dot length. We make a for loop, and firstly we have make a int value, we store the index, and we make a boolean flag which give the value that it will be found or not. I is equal to 0, I greater than n, I plus plus, if nums of I equal to target, then what will we do? We have to put the index in the value and make the flag equal to true. So if the value present in that array, so this is for the that loop is for that purpose. If not found, we have to find it. Int I is equal to 0, I greater than n, I plus plus, if nums of I greater than target, then we have to put the index in this and return the index, return value. Then here we return the return -1. Now we run the code. Flag is equal to true. Here we loop the if not equal to flag. This one. Now we run the code. Here we return the value. So the third test case would be give the array. Why this test case would be give? Because this condition never be true for the this test case, because 6 is always smaller than the 7th. So we make a condition if the element not considered in this test case, so we have surely that element will be present in the last index because of the uh, sorted order. So here we return the, after that for loop we return the index which is of n size. So now all the test case will be run and the question will be submitted. This test case I will explain. For example, we have given a test case 1 2 3 4 5 and the target will be 6. Target is 6. So we make the condition if array of I greater than to target. So target is big always from the last index. So this condition will never true. If this condition will be never true, so we surely show that key the last element, the target will be present at the last index because the elements all are present in the sorted order. So here we return the size of that array n, which is of the index. If you like these videos, please subscribe the channel. Thank you.